Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make some super cute, inexpensive home decor throw pillows. I've got this one, and it says, I don't know if you can see that, it's all shiny and glittery, and it says the Jett set because that's my family. And I have this one with polka dots because I am like obsessed with polka dots. Ask anybody. I am obsessed. These pillows come from IKEA and they are only $3.99. They are called Ukaktus, or however you would pronounce that. And the other supplies that I used to make these pillows was paint and a vinyl transfer. And I already had those, so they only cost me $8 to make these 2 custom pillows. Stick around and I'll show you how I did it. Step 1 for both pillows is to cut off the tags just as close as you can to the pillow. I'm going to be working directly on the pillows, and the good thing about this is if I get tired of it, later on I can have a new cushion cover and put over the pillows, and it's a cheap filling for the pillows. Now I've taken out a little craft mat so that I can put some paint on it. And I'm going to use a little bit of white fabric paint and some silver just wall paint that I have. I decided to mix the white and the silver because I didn't have silver fabric paint, and I wanted to make sure that it would have the pliability that it would need to be on the fabric. So I just mixed the two. Then I take my little foam brush that I've had for a long time, and it's got a circle on it. I dip it in the paint. I make sure that it doesn't have too much paint on it, and then I press it down on the pillow. Sometimes I have to push a little hard or turn it a little bit, but that's how I create my polka dots. I really struggled to make my polka dots random, but I think I did pretty good. For my second pillow, I used the software for my cutting machine, and I wrote out the letters the Jett set. I welded them together, and I flipped them so they would be backwards. Then I cut them out on my cutting machine. Now, if you don't have a cutting machine, you could buy a transfer at the craft store, or on my blog, I have some links to some that I found on Amazon that say love, and they're really cute. But this one says the Jett set, and I weeded it and cut the pieces apart so that I would know what I was doing. And then I am wetting my press cloth. A press cloth is just a cloth that you put between the transfer and the iron so that you don't melt your fabric. And I'm placing everything onto my pillow in the place that I want it to be, and then I'm pressing my iron. It needs the heat and the pressure, which is a little hard since it's a pillow, for about 30 seconds in each spot. And I'm also protecting it with some other plastic film from previous iron-on transfers and pressing that hot iron down on top of the press cloth with the vinyl underneath, and it just peels right up. It's doing a beautiful job. And finally, my last one. And when I go to peel up my last one, I find that it's not actually stuck all the way to the pillow. So I find a wet spot on my press cloth again, and I heat it for another 30 seconds, and it's set beautifully. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will try to make some DIY, custom, beautiful pillows for your own house. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please show me the love by giving me that thumbs up. And I know my colors in my living room aren't real normal for a lot of people, navy blues and aquas. So could you comment in the comments below of what color your living room is decorated in? And until next time, have a great day crafting away.